hear screaming. Put it. Hey, stop!
This call started like many others, but within seconds, it turned deadly. On July 31st, 2025, Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputies were dispatched to a family disturbance in Hacienda Heights. The 911 caller reported a man inside the home who had allegedly assaulted a family member and was armed with knives. When deputies arrived, they were stepping into an unstable and rapidly evolving situation. As they approached the residence, they could hear loud screams coming from inside. At that point, time mattered. Believing someone inside could be in immediate danger, deputies forced entry through the front door. Inside, the situation escalated quickly. The suspect, identified as Ramon Flores, was reportedly still armed. Within moments, deputies were faced with a rapidly developing threat. What happened next unfolded in seconds.
Ma'am. Okay, who's screaming in the background? What's going on?
It's my aunt.
Okay, are you able to get into a different room, or where are you?
No, I can't.
Okay, is he blocking a doorway?
Yes.
Are you in the kitchen? Are you in the living room? Where are you?
We're in the back in the room.
You're in a bedroom? Is he standing in the doorway? Okay. Is the door unlocked? Are the knives still in his hand? What's he doing with it? Ma'am, I cannot understand you. What is he doing? He's running towards you?
Sheriff's Department, come out with your hands up! I hear screaming. Put it. Sheriff's Department! Hey, stop!
Here's what happened from Deputy 2's Bodycam.
Sheriff's Department, come out with your hands up! I hear screaming. Put it. Sheriff's Department! Put out the window! Hey, put out and make an entry! Hey, stop!
Ramon Flores was transported to a hospital. He was later pronounced dead. The Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, along with the District Attorney's Office, continues to review the use of force. Domestic violence calls are among the most dangerous situations officers respond to in the United States. They often involve unpredictable behavior and rapid escalation. Under Graham versus Connor, use of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Before we wrap up, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. This is Texas Safety Watch. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case.